Well, who's in here? This is Bailey and Sammy. Hi, guys. These two are housemates, and they've been here many, many times before. They always do great when they come. What are you doing? You're just such a happy kitty today. Look at you. Look at you. You're such a happy boy today. Oh my goodness. And as you can see, they do great. Whenever they're here, they eat well, they void normally, they're not nervous cats, they acclimate immediately. No problems to ever report with these two cuties. Yeah. Yes. You guys are so cute. Yes. They're enjoying their suite with the window at the end. It gives them enough room to do their thing and be comfortable, and they're liking that. Yes. Yes, my goodness, look at you. I'm coming. Can't get the love fast enough. Yes, can't get the love fast enough. Oh my. Look at you, Sammy Sam. Little Sammy Sammy. Fine Bailey. So what else can I say? They're happy kitties. Say hi to Mom and Dad and family. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yes.